Hey buddy, today I did something I probably shouldn't have done. I asked AI to analyze my entire personality based on my habits, messages, decisions, everything. But the result? Bro, I wasn't ready. ChatGPT basically gave me a full psychological audit, like a therapist, productivity coach, career mentor, and a brutally honest best friend all merged into one. So buckle up because we are gonna go through the results together, and trust me, some parts hurt. So the first thing AI told me is that I'm a high output thinker, which is a fancy way of saying, bro, your brain never shuts up. Apparently, I generate ideas at a speed most people would classify as illegal, and honestly, when I look at my chats, fair. AI literally wrote that my brain works in a rapid prototyping mode. You know how normal people do. Think, plan, execute. I do. Think, execute, rethink, re-execute. Why is still not perfect? This is why I rewrite prompts and scripts multiple times. Ask shorter, longer, punchier, funnier, version 78, and somehow enjoy it. AI says this gives me momentum. I don't get stuck, I move. Which is cute because I definitely feel like I'm stuck sometimes. But apparently, compared to average humans, I'm basically a full-time idea factory. Next strength, AI hit me with obsessive attention to detail. I don't know if that's a compliment or a diagnosis, but okay. It listed examples like correcting grammar. Yeah, grammar is important, right? Especially when English isn't your native language. Thumbnail spacing. Come on, buddy. Everything is important in a thumbnail. It's the first thing the audience sees. Color codes. Of course, it's one of the best tools in the world for anyone who loves order and structure. UX logic. Yeah, my invisible friend who helped me to get clarity, consistency, efficiency, and systematic thinking. AI said this puts me in the top 1% of creators/engineers, and honestly, that part I'm printing and framing. Strength number 3. AI says I handle complexity extremely well. Apparently, all my questions, relocation matrices, salary analysis, long-term planning. They all scream Excel spreadsheet disguised as a human. AI said I combine things like data, logic, scenario thinking, risk analysis. This explains why I can calculate 10 relocation options but still can decide what to eat for dinner. Then AI said something I did not expect. It pointed out that for years I've been running a constant self-upgrade program on myself. Things like quitting alcohol and coffee, English learning, productivity routines, investing, relocation planning, and content creation. Normal people try one of these per year. I try all of them at once, except the fitness part. I'm still struggling to get myself to the gym. Running sometimes is my compromise, and hey, it's better than nothing, right? Number 5. AI hit me with a compliment that actually felt nice. Emotional intelligence plus humor. It said the way I mixed honesty, frustration, jokes, and self-awareness gives my constant personality. Something most AI channels don't have. So basically, I'm funny. AI confirmed it. This is now legally binding.
Emotional damage.
In the last section, AI pointed out I switch context like a pro. Crypto, relocation, branding, video editing, English, productivity, jokes, psychology, pets, macroeconomics. AI literally wrote that I handle mental multitasking surprisingly well, which is ironic because my brain feels like 12 browser tabs fighting for Wi-Fi. Fun fact, my girlfriend says I'm brutally bad at multitasking, like most men. Okay, strengths were cute, but then came the weaknesses, and AI did not hold back at all. It absolutely dragged me. You expect fast results, even in systems that reward time. YouTube, investments, language learning, relocation plans. AI said my brain wants everything now. It even quoted my chat history. Why 0 views? It's been 25 hours. Why didn't this work yet? Okay, I get it. But starting a YouTube channel is nowhere near as easy as people think at first. The next one is overthinking. AI said because my brain processes deeply, it also spirals deeply. Examples AI gave: rechecking problems repeatedly, revisiting the same question from many angles, obsessing over tiny metrics, stress loops. And honestly, true, I overthink everything. Even right now, I'm overthinking how I'm telling you I overthink. Number 3. AI said I react strongly when expectations don't match reality. Examples it gave hurt a little. Frustration with analytics. Of course, I want to get better and better results than before. Irritation when advice contradicts itself. Yeah, because sometimes ChatGPT talks complete nonsense too. Are you drunk moments? Yes. At one point, I even asked ChatGPT, are you drunk? Number 4. I'm amazing at starting things, amazing at ideation, amazing at iteration, but staying on one path long term? Not my strongest skill. This is painfully accurate, but thanks to my strengths, I'm genuinely trying to stay consistent with content creation, at least as much as my normal job allows. Okay, last weakness says, your elite standards make anything less feel like failure. Not the call out I needed today, but yes, I want elite output always. This leads to burnout, disappointment, and existential crisis speedruns. Then AI summarized my entire personality. You are a high-intensity, analytical, creative, fast-iterating builder. You thrive on growth, clarity, challenge, and progress. Honestly, if this was on Tinder, I would swipe right on myself. AI said I'm naturally good at content creation, engineering thinking, strategy and decision making, long-term planning, teaching beginners, and of course, using AI as a superpower. So basically, built for YouTube. But AI also warned me about impatience, burnout, perfectionism, emotional spikes, switching direction too fast, and assuming problems are bigger than they are. Oh, that's hurt, but the facts don't lie, and now I have evidence that my friends neither do. It's totally insane, right? Maybe ChatGPT knows you better than yourself? Maybe not, but what shocked me the most is how accurate this was from a single prompt. It's crazy how AI sees patterns we don't notice. Why do people pay a fortune for a psychologist? AI has incredible potential if you know how to prompt it. Oh, and one more thing. This feature works best when you are logged in and have a longer chat history for more accurate results. Should I come back with deeper, more advanced prompts on this topic? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more daily life AI tricks that makes your world a whole lot easier. And remember, don't figure it out. There is always a way out.